How to fix WhatsApp not working on an iPhone. So if you want to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your app store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp Messenger, then you just need simply go and update it. Update it to the latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. Once updated, see if the issue is fixed or not. And if not, then launch your settings application on your device and tap on general and then on the iPhone storage. And here you need to just simply scroll down a bit and navigate to WhatsApp, tap on it, further tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. As doing this will clear the cache in the application to see if the issue is fixed or not. And if not, then go back to your home screen and tap and hold on to your WhatsApp option. And there in the menu that appears, tap on remove app option. Further tap on the delete app option and then tap on delete again. And once deleted, open the app store and reinstall WhatsApp application and see if the issue is fixed or not. And also make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So these were the few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.